Here comes the monster, the ruler of WWE Raw, Obafemi. Tonight, Obafemi will give an open challenge to Roman Reigns. Will the OTC accept and fight Obafemi and defend the World Heavyweight Championship? We'll find out. But now, the ruler is here to rule WWE. Obafemi, after defeating Brock Lesnar at WrestleMania, clearly mentioned that he wants to face the OTC Roman Reigns. And now, after destroying the roster one by one, Obafemi ready to challenge Roman Reigns. And now Obafemi will announce. Oh, who is this guy? That's the beast, Brock Lesnar. And F5. What a shocker. Brock Lesnar is back. Brock Lesnar wants revenge. And now, the second F5 by the beast. Obafemi wanted to face Roman Reigns, but he just got a blast from the past. The beast is back from the retirement. Third F5 in a row. Obafemi got destroyed by Brock Lesnar. The beast made his shocking comeback tonight. And now Brock is not done yet. Fourth F5. And Obafemi may be conquered by the beast now. Jey Uso, got caught by Jacob Fatu into the Tongan death grip.
Come on, Roman.
The Usos tried to stop Jacob Fatu's destruction, but Fatu is trying to take Jey Uso's life now. Oh, here comes the king of WWE. The man Obafemi wanted to challenge tonight for the title. The man who is the OTC. The one of the greatest Samoan of all time, Roman Reigns, is ready to destroy Jacob Fatu. From weeks, Jacob Fatu become a big threat for Roman Reigns, and now the OTC face to face, toe to toe with Jacob Yarami Fatu. Now we will find out who has all gas and no brakes, Jacob Fatu or Roman Reigns. There we go. And now Reigns is smashing Fatu. Oh, big boot to the face, rocks Jacob. Reigns locked and loaded. Got caught by Jacob again. The tongue and dead grip, super kick by Jey. And a spear. Uso splash by Big Jim. And now Reigns again locked and loaded. Superman punch to Jacob Fatu. Jacob is helpless now. The Usos and Roman Reigns with a brutal attack on Jacob. Double super kick. Again Reigns, the king of WWE, with a Superman punch. And look at Jacob. He's still fighting back, but it's a double super kick again. The Usos and Roman Reigns destroy Jacob Fatu. But the cherry on top remains. Reigns roars. And it's a massive spear to Jacob Fatu. And just like that, Bloodline destroys Jacob Fatu tonight. And now, Logan Paul attacks Seth Rollins. Seth Rollins was having a match with Austin Theory. And Logan Paul attacks Seth Rollins. The match ended with a DQ, and here comes Angelo Dawkins saving the Visionary from the attack of the Vision. Oh, Austin Theory, and now the numbers game again, but Montez Ford is here. Takes out the Vision with an incredible dive. And now Montez Ford checking Angelo Dawkins. Oh God, the human missile erupts. Braun Breaker with a massive spear to Montez Ford, and now a cutbuster. And now Seth Rollins from behind attacks Braun Breaker. Breaker is going for another cutbuster, but thumbs to the eyes in a close line by Seth. Braun Breaker got rocked by Seth Rollins. The Visionary. Oh, Logan Paul. It's a kick from Seth. Oh, spear by the human missile, the dog. What a keep up. And the fitness freak, a wrestling freak, Braun Breaker, and the Vision, just like that, stands tall over Seth Rollins and the Street Profits. Seth Rollins in big trouble now. The Vision wants to end the career of Seth Rollins. Here comes the bald guy, Adam Seens, aka Adam Pearce. And the Vision, Adam Pearce, just saved the life and the career of Seth Rollins. And now JD McDonough standing at the top. Takes out Finn Balor with a moonsault.